Hello everyone, it's Dale here with new weekly trading ideas video. What you see before you is NinjaTrader 8 platform with my custom-made volume profile and VWAP indicators. And the first trading idea that I like to talk about is on the euro dollar. So what you see before you is euro dollar 30-minute chart. And in here I want to talk about a strong support which formed on Friday, and it formed within this strong reversal. This is where sellers were pushing the price downwards aggressively, but then buyers started to jump in and pushed the price aggressively upwards. So this is a very important zone because this is the place where the strong sell-off turned into a strong buying activity. And what we wanted to see within a rejection like this is a significant volume bump that would tell you that would show you where the buyers started to jump in. So if you look into this rejection area, then what definitely stands out here is this heavy volume zone, right? This heavy volume zone is showing us the place where buyers started to jump in. So what happened here was that sellers were selling here aggressively, then buyers jumped in and started to buy everything the sellers had to sell. Eventually, the buyers won and new trend started. And the beginning of that heavy volume zone is an important level because this is a zone that is clearly important for the buyers and they're likely to defend it in the future. So when there's a pullback to it at some point in the future, I mean if there's a pullback, because I'm not saying there must be a pullback, but if there is a pullback, chances are that when the price reaches this zone, buyers will start jumping in again, defending this place, and they're likely to push the price upwards from there again. The level is at 1.0621. What I'll do when the price reaches this zone is I'll open up the order flow software somewhere around this area, and I'll be waiting for a confirmation on the order flow software, because the order flow can massively help time your trade entry as well as your trade exits. All right, so that's the plan on the euro dollar. There's a very similar thing on the Australian dollar, US dollar. So let me show you. So this is the 30-minute chart of the Australian dollar, US dollar. And in here, we also have a strong rejection of lower prices here, right? So again, what you do is you use the flexible volume profile to look into this rejection, and you want to see a significant volume bump somewhere around the place where the price turned. In this case, it is in here, and this is the beginning of that heavy volume cluster. It is at 0.6375, and the logic is the same as on the euro. So what we need to do now is just wait for a pullback, and if the price reaches this place, then ideally if you have order flow, open up the order flow software and wait for confirmation. But if you don't have order flow, you can just enter this trade at first touch and go long from there, as it is likely that the buyers from this place are likely to defend this place and push the price upwards from there again. All right, so this is currently pretty strong level on the Australian dollar, US dollar. Now let me show you one more trading idea here. It is a bit different setup, and it is on the euro British pound. So in this case, I won't be talking about strong reversal, but I'll be talking about volume accumulation setup. That's a setup when you trade when there's a rotation like this, followed by a strong trend activity. What you want to see within such a rotation is a heavy volume zone. In here, as you can see, the volumes are pretty massive, and the level I marked here is the beginning of that heavy volume zone. It is at 0.8569, and it marks a place where the rotation turned into a strong buying activity. So what happened here was that buyers were building up their long positions in this rotation, and then they manipulated the price to shoot aggressively upwards. But this heavy volume zone still remains a very important zone for the buyers. And if there's a pullback to it in the future, chances are that there'll be a reaction to it, because the buyers from this zone are likely to become active again and defend this zone, which is clearly important for them, right? So this is what I think will happen. We just need for that pullback, and if it occurs, then take the long from there. Now, what I also like about this long level is that the price was reacting to this level in the past. If you look in here, and also in here, also in here, then the price was reacting not exactly to the level, but to this general area in the past. That means that it was a resistance, right? And the resistance turned into a support at that moment when the price went past it in here and started to move above that former resistance. That's when it turned into a new support, right? So that's a price action confirmation of this level. What we need to do now is just wait for that pullback and take it from there. Now, if you guys are interested in learning more about volume profile trading, then head over to my website. This is it, trader-dale.com. And if you click this button, which says Trading Course and Tools, then it will take you to this page. And in here, this is the volume profile pack, which is an educational and indicator pack that will teach you everything about volume profile trading and also provide you with my custom-made volume profile indicators. Below that, this is the order flow pack, which will teach you everything about order flow trading, and also this one will provide you with my custom-made order flow and volume profile indicators. If you are interested in getting both in one discounted bundle, you can get it in here. This is a combo pack, which includes the volume profile pack as well as the order flow pack. Alright, so that's about that. Now, before I wrap up the video, I would like to announce a winner of a contest we had last time. The prize of a contest were my custom-made indicators for TradingView platform, that being the volume profile and VWAP indicators. And right now on your screen, you see the name of the person who won in the contest. So congratulations to the winner. And what I will do next is I'll do another contest for the next week. The only thing that you need to do to participate is leave a comment below this video, which I'll publish on YouTube. And next week, I'll randomly pick one person to win those custom-made indicators. All right. So that's about that. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time. And until then, happy trading.